the? Oh! How you drop the basket? Come on. Sean, look at you, bro. So what is up, every? Make sure I like, comment, subscribe, part of Vinnchizzleentertainment gang. All I'm posting the bands back to back, all the energy. That's 21, that's 22. You already know what it is. Let's get into the video. We going to Pensacola Beach, but right now we still in the east. We at Dollar General. Look at these. Y'all on camera. See what's that?
That's for the. Come on.
Y'all is on camera.
Could I get the bucket?
Look at Sonic. Kylie, why you look so mad?
Say hey, Uncle Bitch.
I got you. Come on, y'all want to see a chocolate girl act up? I got y'all.
Come on, can we make it out there? Get your snacks and come on.
Oh, I'm gonna meet some of y'all.
Get y'all snacks and come on. She could get it, come on.
Hey, you sir.
And let's go. That's what I'm saying.
Once upon a time and I heard that I was sucking. Came from a bitch.
She said she liked that.
But y'all already know nigga back in these. You know it's June. It's June. You know I'm coming back with the bangs. Y'all already know I was going for a little while, but I'm back. You know a nigga back. Let me get me. I'm coming, baby. Give me a drink. They getting snacks right now, y'all. Cause we gonna keep around with it. I told you I Pensacola already, huh? Yeah. But yeah, we on our way. So we getting snacks on the road. On a long road, Angie. Brother, where the chips at? What's going on? What all the brand chips? Look, I forgot to tell you. Look at my sister. My mom, see? Come here you go. My mom. Krista. Where all the chips at, brother? Uh-huh. Huh, Chris, what you said? Yeah.
Ice cream.
Yeah, yo. I'm gonna come back to you when we checking out. I'm about to go in the car. Because right now, everybody seeing what they getting to eat. Oh, yeah. Oh. But it's, you hungry? You trying to bite the camera? It's hungry. Remember, what a hot Doritos at? Who they go up there? No, that's a small bag?
Like this?
Like this? Here they go. They have one more bag, like two. I ain't in the trash in right now. Look at these ghetto people. Look at them.
Cookies and stuff in the car, and they got.
Oh, Sean, what's that, brother?
The type of which means the car, they got bread in the car. Get the squeezable.
Nigga say get the.
It's right there.
Oh, squeezable mayonnaise and the mustard right there.
Who eats mustard?
What about buffer ranch?
That was it. Buffer ranch.
Buffer ranch.
But my mom. Look at my.
Who eat mustard?
You eat mustard. Huh? No. Why you think about food? Why?
Oh, I really want Takis.
Why? You. I do that better.
Check the drip.
I remember I got the wrong son.
Rock from $5. Alright. But here go these. There was all this $1.
Oh yeah, brother. Okay.
The $1.
Okay, I see.
And this was a party shirt. I don't know what.
Oh yeah, look at her. It's like the hood mermaid. Come on. Hey, it's
Oh!
nigga say you.
Like he out of bread.
Man, let's go. What the fucking thing?
Nigga say he breathing hard like he out of breath.
And she breathing soft. Now she breathing soft. What she said she breathing soft.
Man, but yeah, man, I'm gonna catch you when we on our way out, cause we gotta start checking out. And look at my aunt. You gay, man? You slap a nigga booty. You gay, son. She dropped the bat.
She dropped the basket on Chris.
She always doing something.
She was serving around the corner in the back.
How you drop the basket?
It's because you always playing. Come on, chill out.
Pick it up.
Put the-
Pop, break
hold
your
on.
fucking neck. Stupid
Hold on,
ass.
y'all. I'm gonna come right back to you after you start checking out. Hold on. Mama, look. Say hey. Look at this dude. I can't pick you up right now. I'm recording.
Watch me hit it. Watch me hit it.
Oh.
Yo. Show me.
No. Look at her. What?
He's a joke in the family.
What do you eat? No chala, no shala, mala, chala.
Baby not falling. Go ahead.
I bet if I put on up, you gonna start that. I got you. Come on. This is so ghetto, but we don't care. Come on.
We
Oh.
bring it out the soup.
We leaving, guys. You have to all get in the video.
Big bad busting out the Billy Band chicken.
That bus a Billy Band Tigger.
See, I'm not gonna drop it. That's welcome back to the
Hit it, bro. Come on. Hit it, bro.
Hold on, put it to the point.
Hold on.
I didn't know that's that waffle.
Go. I got back there in the car. Mama. Yeah, I'm gonna call y'all. I'm gonna call y'all. I'm gonna come back to y'all.
That's what she said.
So I'm gonna come to y'all when we get to the beach. Guys, we made it to the beach. That's my wife like piss. But I get popped. God, I mean, bro, you know how long since I've been to the beach? Yo, I ain't been in the beach in a long time, yo. Everybody get popped. Look at her, yo. Look at her. You happy, mama? Mama, stay right there. Not yet. Come here, Krista.
You want me?
Hold on, let me make my life easier.
I'm out for nigga. Jesus. Hit it.
Shut up!
Oh, yeah, but. Nah, I ain't here. Y'all right? I feel like if you make sure you like, comment, subscribe to be a part of Vinnchizzleentertainment gang. Awesome fun to bring back to back all the every day. Ah, brother, what it was? Brown and bit purple. Nigga got the back with her mouth while the baby on the side just leaning. And she got the. You look at her. The bottle with the crumb. My Crocs out. I'm going to the beach, Krista. Look at her. Krista, you scared? You scared? Huh? Krista, please don't go. Stay right here, bro. Stay right here. Huh? She got, what thing it's called? She got her hair planned up so she don't get it wet. Huh? No, we don't. Dang, yo.
Yeah, sorry, man.
Dang, yo, that's two.
That's tough.
I gotta use the bag.
Bad too.
Should I use the bag? I use the bag.
How though?
Come on. Go yourself! Slide! Leave! Oh my god. Leave! He pulled. I don't know what he said. He said call him mama. He said call it. He said call it. It's all he said call his mom, call his mama. He looked like he's squatting, he needs you. He said come here. Oh! It's on your head! 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 It's on your back! It's on your back! He said call my mama. Oh, he's there right there. Pick him up. Crystal. Sean, look at you, brother.
Like a big
Look at this dude. Look at her. She what she chewing on? Look at you. All in Mississippi with it. Move, Kristen, move. Right there. Yo, the other one is, but it's ain't gonna get good. Mama! Great, hey, she look! Mama, come on, come on. Come on, that bear, you Chris, go ready? I'm sorry. In your face. Mama, lay back, Mama, lay back. Stop. My camera, got my camera. Right, hold on, Chris. Lay back, Chris, lay back. Hey, do Chris, you're gonna put her head on.
Oh yeah, put some more water up in it. It's some more water.
Show him.
Water.
Yeah, come look at it, Come on. Come on, Chris.
They're having a wholesome ass moment.
Oh, look what I can do.
Watch out, move. You won't break like that with what's in that front. Lay back. You get some put her head on. Give her that food noodle. Look at that food noodle right now.
The red one.
Okay, go get it.
Put her head on.
Yeah, put her head on.
Her head.
Okay. You good? Don't move. All right, hold on. Go, get my phone over there. Come back up. Leave your hand there.
Can I stop it?
Back to the water. Good, Brody.
Bustin'. But I wanted all of them.
You wanted all of them.
Yes, I did.
All of them? Sean, well, I told you we talked about this, man. Bro, you can't do this no more. It's time to get rid of it. No, come here. But yeah, man, it's awesome. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to be part of Vinnchizzle Gang. Also posting the bring back to back all the areas that 21, that 23, and I know it is. I promise you I'm gonna get back consistent for y'all. Got bangers coming for y'all and everything. Got merch dropping and everything. If y'all want the updates and everything on us, and make sure you go find the BTD spam page on the road to 1K. Everyone knows I know it is. And yeah, y'all, I see y'all in the next video.